This 2023 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight is presented by Amazon.
Welcome everyone. Great to have you all with us today. It is our pleasure to host the AWB Bus Tour, which is highlighting manufacturing around the state. We do a little bit of exporting, but mostly dealers and distributors in North America, heavily to the western states, and we do a little bit of exporting to Australia and China.
This is kind of where the process begins. All of our steel trucks deliver right here. When we walk in, the first department is the cutting area. So a lot of the raw steel that we purchase is where starts the process getting cut, drilled, machined. Bandsaws for cutting the steel to the length. We have a couple of punch presses. We have our hide mech. It's a pretty standard saw, but one of the neat features is it has an auto feed. As long as there's a bar, the saw automatically pulls the bar forward, cuts the piece, does the next one. So yeah, we use that a lot. Load it up, let it cut, and then we're good to go. One of our new additions this year, we purchased a 5x10 CNC plasma, Lincoln Electric. So a lot of the parts that we used to outsource, we actually are doing them in-house. When we have a prototype, something we want to test, our process got a lot quicker. We probably cut at least 2 to 3 weeks of lead time when it comes to that, because normally that's what the lead time is for our vendors. So this is our new addition, our robotic welder. This is a complicated piece of equipment. You want to make sure that you don't run it into things. It can easily be done if you program it incorrectly. The intention is that while that's welding, he would be able to load the next part. When that's done, it'll rotate. We'll start welding the next parts while he unloads those parts.
So when the products come out of welding, it goes into this booth where we sandblast it. And then after sandblasting, it goes in to this booth. We'll blow it off with air, and then we'll spray on powder, and then we'll go into the oven and bake it at over 400 degrees for about 20 minutes.
We have over at least 60 different products. Here, the assembly team has to be kind of versatile, be able to ready whatever the next order is.
This is our flagship product, the Twin Star Hay Rake. It's designed for large acreage commercial hay growers. You can control the height of the basket, you can control the speed of the basket, and you can control the angle of the basket.
So what this does is it takes 2 of the rows and basically flips the hay over, and it combines it into 1 row. So now the bottom side can dry, and then they can come out and bale it.
Thank you guys for coming. We appreciate having you all. I think all of us realize the importance of manufacturing in our state. It brings very high quality wages. Awesome that AWB is focusing and showing the importance of manufacturing.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Amazon.